Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another plan with me using my Hobonichi weeks and my sticker kit because this is my channel and not yours. This is the sticker kit I am using today and it is called Spring to Life. It is so pretty. I love it so much. I love all my kits, but this is just really stunning, guys. Just like last time's plan with me, I used my date cover-ups on there, but this time I'm putting down my checklist on the other side of the page because I'm trying out this new planner system thing or planner format wherein I'm featuring or using all of my larger full boxes on the left side of the page. So here I'm just dividing the page into two sections, one for my long to-do list and the other are for notes. Now they will be covered up by that big right bottom box, but that's alright with me because I do not want a really long checklist, but I have a lot of things to do. So here I've put down that half box checklist just in case. I should have put it down on Sunday, but I didn't, so I'm sorry. And then I've put down that horizontal full box with that pretty bird and that vertical box up at the top because Mondays are usually chill days. Are you jealous? It's okay, I'm poor, that's why. So for this format, everything on the left page would be my today section. And I'm also putting down a lot of other decos on this section so that it looks pretty and I don't feel so bad once Tuesday hits and everything that's supposed to happen on the Monday happens on the Tuesday. Look at how pretty and how shiny because this is on glossy. Like all my Hobonichi kits, they are all on glossy. That way you can use your fountain pen and it wouldn't be bleeding all over the place. So on this section with the clock, with the flowers, I am putting down my tracker. Now here I'm using my friction pen from Pilot in green and it is going to be like a coloring material instead of a real highlighter. And there at the top of the page on that corner will be my this week corner. But as you can see there, I'm going to decorate it even more so that my eye catches it when I flip the page. It's gonna look really random where I put down the boxes on that right page, but don't worry, it will make sense once I put my pen on this. I'm going to show you my pen, not that pen, my fountain pen. Now that I've finished decorating my pages, I'm going to decorate it even more using pens. Here I'm using my Stabilo 88 in this minty green that matches the colors of the script stickers pretty well. I was very surprised and I'm really glad I had it. Another coloring thing with my friction pen, but here's a tip, just let it dry, let it be before writing anything on it. That is why I'm starting on my left page with that generic fountain pen that I've told you I was going to show you. It is only 159 pesos. It works very well. As you can see here, nothing is bad is happening. And also, here's another tip. You can also use your pens to add more decoration. Here I am putting things in boxes. I'm just drawing the boxes down and writing stuff in it. That way it's more fluid and it just makes me focus on the things that I need to focus on. And here I'm also going to draw my own icons because as I've said already, you don't really need to buy a whole bunch of icons because you can write it down or draw it yourself. You can even just use symbols that you like flowers, stars, clouds, like my logo for paperjoyph.com. Please subscribe and check out all our stuff in our website. Also follow our IG. So here I am just writing down my to-do list. As I've mentioned, I have a lot of things to do. I will fill it out as the days go by. But here I'm just demonstrating how many stuff I need to do all the time. So this is another way of drawing an icon. That is my YouTube icon of choice. It looks like the logo, at least in my mind, it looks exactly like the logo. Good job, me. Okay. And I'm also writing down an email symbol, and I'm also drawing that line with the circle in the end so that I can just tick it off when I've done it. And then on this page, I'm just writing down something very important that I need to do, which is to design the new die cut stickers. No, I mean die cuts. And they will be released tomorrow. And I haven't finished. I know. Good job, me. Now that I'm confident that that marker is completely dry, I've actually written down on it already. Now, if I don't let it dry, the fountain pen ink will just bleed all over the place. That has happened to me multiple times, so that's over now. And all of the pens that I've used, I'm showing here. And I've used everything in the kit. And I'm just putting down my sticky notes, as well as that metal page marker thing, and I'm done. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you'd like to see more planning videos from this channel, please subscribe. It really helps me out and I feel good about myself. Yay! And also, subliminal message for you: buy our stuff at paperjoyph.com if you really like our stuff. And also, we have a lot of coupon codes that are live right now. Check us out. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!